Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the remote immediately and confirming power. You want to act, not search later. Once found, open the back and swap to fresh 2AA batteries so signals stay strong. Make sure to face Granny line of sight matters so commands register. If the remote is sticky, clean the buttons gently, avoid water. This step sets the stage. Without reliable power and aim, none of the following actions will work, so secure those basics now and move on. You now use the remote to manipulate the environment and create openings. Press play/pause, then directional keys to confirm each button triggers a distinct noise or action. This helps you chain events. Once done, use on/off toggles to generate sounds that draw Granny away from corridors. Make sure to time the clicks between her patrols. Also, pair the remote with nearby items, like switching power strips, to reach locked spots. By controlling sensory cues, you steer her movement and free new options. You complete the run by executing the planned distraction and moving quickly through the cleared path. First, trigger the loudest remote action to pull Granny away, then sprint to the exit while holding items to prevent resets. Timing is crucial. If the remote stops working, swap batteries immediately, clean the contact pads, or use another noise source to maintain the diversion. Finally, make sure nothing blocks sightlines. If Granny regains pathing, pause and reset the sequence before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.